Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sec Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to possibly fix your stick drift on your Xbox Series X or S controller without opening it up. Now this could be relatively easy. The first thing that we want to go ahead and do is reset the controller and then resync it and reconnect it. So go to your controller sync button and then simply hold this down. So if we hold it down for about 10 seconds, the light is going to begin to flash right now, and then it's going to rumble and vibrate twice and then shut off. This is an indication that the controller is reset. So it's rumbling, it shut off. Now we need to resync this back up to our Xbox. To do this, turn on the controller once again. Then the controller light is going to be flashing. Go to the front of the Xbox and then press and hold the sync button on the console itself. And then do the same thing on the controller. So let's hold this down at the same time on both of them for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and let go. And the controller is now resynced and repaired back up to the console. Now if resyncing it isn't the issue, what we could try is just do some thumbstick manipulations. So to do this, rotate the thumbstick around to the right about 10 times. Then rotate it to the left about 10 times. Then click it in about 10 times. Then lift it up about 10 times. Now I do have the Elite controller, but your thumbsticks shouldn't detach. Just lift it up and down, and then see if anything is stuck in here. Maybe you have some debris or something. You might need like a toothpick or like a Kleenex to clean that off. But a lot of times I like to just blow into the sides here. And it sounds a little bit goofy, but I've noticed multiple times that if I blow into here, well, this actually fixes my stick drift. And it may only be a temporary fix, but it definitely does indeed work. So you could also use compressed air, and you can just blow into the sides here and get a good burst in the side. Now, another thing that you could also do is use your mouth and blow into the side here. So you can just move the thumbstick to the side and then blow. And you'll notice that your centering should be a little bit better on your sticks now. Now in most games, you do have the option to control or manipulate your dead zones, and this could help alleviate or completely eliminate your stick drift. So in Call of Duty, if I press options, tab on over to settings, we want to go to the controller settings, and then we want to look for something called dead zone input. So right here. Now this gives me an idea if I have any kind of stick drift, because if I move my thumbstick to the left or right, we can see it on this test screen over here. So it looks like I have just a slight amount of stick drift on my right thumbstick. I can center that again, and it completely went away. So stick drift will be detectable on here. But what we could do is increase or decrease the minimum value for that specific stick. So if I were to bring this from 5 to maybe like 7 or 8, well, that stick drift will be reset back to 0 and it will be eliminated. So you can try increasing or decreasing your stick drift for your left and right stick minimum to eliminate the stick drift completely. So look into the game options as well. Now if you're looking in terms of just straight up accuracy, the lowest possible dead zones without getting any stick drift is what you want, because this will allow you to aim a little bit more precise by just barely moving the thumbstick around. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sec Studios.